Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we're gonna continue on removing everything on the bike. Today I want to get the exhaust off, the engine off, front wheel, rear suspension, front suspension, the steering, pretty much everything. I just want to have a bare frame tonight, so it's only going to be a matter of time before I start working on every part. And like I said, this is a full restoration, so every single screw and every bolt are going to be removed, clean, polished, painted, whatever. Everything's going to be touched. Nothing will be left alone. It's going to take some time, but it's going to be a nice process, I think. Let's go on. So we'll take a quick pause right now because I really don't want to lose any screws or bolts. So I'm going to put everything in their bags and then we'll keep on going. But I really don't want to lose anything, so we'll do that right now. Wow, this unit is really small. So that's it for tonight. We did the exhaust and the engine and little parts here and there. That's gonna be it for tonight. I got a lot of cleaning to do like every time. Man, I realize like how much time it actually takes to film videos like while working. It takes like 50% of my time, honestly. I'm working like 50% of the time, and the other half is actually just like setting up the camera and filming. It's a lot. I like it though, so I'm gonna continue doing it. But that's it for tonight. We'll see if I can work on it tomorrow. So that's it for tonight.